if you are asked to evaluate 81 to the power of 4 minus 81 to the power of 3 without the use of a calculator, how are you going to go about it? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it without a calculator. First and foremost, consider this exponent. Here is 4. Consider this other exponent. Here is 3. Now, let's try and make this exponent to have 3 in it. Remember, 4 is 3 plus 1. So I can decide to have 81 power 3 plus 1 because I want to have 3 here to correspond with this other 3 here. Then we have minus 81 to the power of 3. Now, the next step will be to apply this index law. A power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. Now we apply this index law right here. So we have 81 power 3 times 81 power 1 minus 81 power 3. So there is 81 power 3 here. And there is also another 81 power 3 here. So what I'm going to do is to factor out 1. So we have 81 power 3 times this divided by 81 power 3. We are going to have 81 power 1 minus 81 power 3 divided by 81 power 3. We are going to have 1. So from here, what you are going to have is 81 power 3 times 81 power 1 is the same thing as 81 minus 1. So from here, we need to evaluate this 81 minus 1, that is 80. We have 81 power 3 times 80. So what is the value of 81 power 3? Now, remember that we can express 81 as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That means 81 equals 3 to the power of 4 because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So we have 3 to the power of 4. That is for this 81. Raised to the power of 3 again. This 3 here. Times 80. Then right now we apply this index law again. A power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So this index law, we apply it here. We have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, so we have 3 to the power of 12 times 80. Now, right now, we need to find the value of 3 to the power of 12. So what are we going to do? We can simply express this as 3 to the power of 10 plus 2, because 10 plus 2 is 12. Then we have times 80. Now, if you consider this a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So we apply this identity here. We are now going to have 3 to the power of 10 times 3 to the power of 2 times 80. So from here, we need to find the value of 3 to the power of 10. Now 3 to the power of 10, we can simply express it as 3 to the power of 5 times 2, because 5 times 2 is 10. Now, let's go back to this identity. If you have a power n times n equals a power n or to the power of m. So, this we apply it here. We have 3 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2. And from here, we need to find the value of 3 power of 5. So 3 power of 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this equals, this is 9, 27, 81. 81 times 3, this is 243. So that is 243. So this means we are going to have 243 to the power of 2. So let's do that. So we have 243 raised to the power of 2. This equals 243 times what? 243. Or if you don't want to do it that way, we can easily have it as 200 plus 43, that is the same thing as 243, times 200 plus 43, that is the same thing as 243. So let's multiply that out. 200 times 200, so this will give you 48,000. Because 2 times 2 is 4, so you have 4 zeros plus. Then 200 times 43, we are going to have 8600 plus 43 times 200, we have 8600 plus 43 times 43, we have 1849. So let's add up. We have this is 40,000 plus 8600 plus 8600 plus 1849. So let's add up everything together. This is 9, this is 4, 6 plus 6, that is 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20. 0 carry over 2 add here. This is 10, 10 plus 8, that is 18, 18 plus 1, that is 19. 9 carry over 1 and add here. 59049. That is for 3 power 10. So this value here is 59049. So what we are going to have here is we have 59049 for 3 power 10. Then we have times 3 power 2. That is 9 times 80. So let's multiply this out. 59049 times 9. You have 59049 times 9. We have times 9 times 9, that is 81. We have 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, that is 36. 36 plus 8, that is 44. 4 carry over 4. Then 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. Then we have 9 times 5, that is 45. 45 plus 8, that is 53. So we have 531441 for this. So we are going to multiply this by 80 to have our final answer. So we have 531441 times 80. So what we are going to do now is we can have 0 will multiply everything here. That is 0 plus, using 0 to multiply everything here. 8 will multiply 1. We have 8. 8 will multiply 4. That is 32. So you have 2 and carry over 3. 8 will multiply 4 again. That is 32. 32 plus 3, that is 35. 5 and carry over 3. 8 will multiply 1. 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 and carry over 1. 8 We'll multiply 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 5, and carry over 2. 8 will multiply 5, 40, 40 plus 2, that is 42. So at the end, we are going to add this together. So this 0 here, we are going to bring it here. So we now have 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 8 with the 0. So this becomes our final answer. Then that is it for 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And don't forget all the steps that we have taken. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. See you again.